It's time for an update on my 1983 El Camino. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Let's talk about it for just a second, man. This is my 1983 El Camino. I got a few videos linking to it. I'll link the playlist up here for y'all if you want to go back and see what we done to it, man. We are currently putting a paintless wiring in it right now, so that's what I'm finna continue doing, man. I won't bore y'all with that. But the object of today is to get this thing completely wired up, tail lights and everything, all that harness ran back to the back. Well, I'm gonna get that done. I'm gonna just give y'all a little B-roll of it. And we're gonna start testing out some lights and testing out some tail lights and testing out some different stuff, just making sure it works, man. And I'm gonna back this thing, I'm gonna crank it up, man, and possibly, if I can, I wanna try to see if I can at least try to back it up, pull it forward. You know, I know I gotta re-bleed the brakes on it. But yeah, so I'm gonna jump in it, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Quick update on the wiring, man. I'm finna show y'all what we got. We basically got everything ran. The inside of the car is basically ran everywhere it need to go. Everything in there is going. I even got the wires going to the back for the fuel pump and for the wiring. And I was trying to hook up my tail lights, man. And I got this bar that I put back here because I'm not running the bumper. I'm gonna run that roll pan down there. So I got this right here, and I realized my tail lights wouldn't clear it. So what I did was I just kind of measured, and I'm gonna cut out this square on both sides so that the tail light can clear, man. So when I put the tail light back in, that back piece won't hit it. So I'm finna knock this out, man. So y'all just stay tuned, cause we working. If you're questioning if I weakened that piece, look at how thick this metal was. Look at how thick that is. So yeah, I might have weakened it some, but man, if you look at that metal, man, that's pretty thick. So, but my tail lights gotta fit, and I still want to be safe, so that's where we at. I'm gonna knock this other side out, man, and we're gonna keep it moving. Man, one time before when I told you, y'all could see that I had got the wrong hood, not wrong hood, wrong headlights, my bad, wrong headlights. And now I have the right ones, and I want to show them to y'all. So let me get one set up so I can show y'all what we got. Alright, so these are what I got, man. They came off of eBay. These may be too bright for the camera to make them out, but they do have, see if I can get this amber color little thing to come up. Alright, y'all, so y'all can see that. Let me readjust the camera, man, so y'all can see it. Hold tight for me, y'all. So this is what I want to try. Come on now. Go. See, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it got an amber little deal to it. Has an amber light at the top. So I'm gonna continue wiring this thing up. I know I'm dark. I'm gonna brighten the camera back up, but we finna continue wiring these lights up, and we gonna continue wiring the whole car, man, so we can get it out and get this floor done on this side, man. All right, guys, quick check-in. The headlights are working, man. I'm finna show them to y'all. I got both sides working. I have marker lights working, but I don't have turn signals working. My turn signals are still a mystery right now. because I have to order plugs for both sides. So we're gonna move to the back once I finish this. We're gonna try to get the fuel pump priming up. Once I get the fuel pump working, I can then back it out and pull it into this side. So all I really need to do is get the fuel pump working, and then we'll better back this thing out. So y'all hold tight. Let me show y'all these headlights. So y'all can see that. Let me get out y'all way. Hold on, I got some boxes right here about to fall, man. So if y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see both sides, but you can kind of see them over there. Got a high beam, low beam, everything is working. So we are now about to move to the back, and I'm heat shrinking everything, cutting stuff to the right length right now. But in another video, man, I'm gonna start putting the glass and everything back in this car, man, so we can, it's about time. If I gotta pull something back out, I just gotta pull it back out. So that's how we proceeding, man. Let me show y'all, let me give y'all a quick overview of what we still gotta do. This part of the car is sprayed, so I have edge out all around there and all around the windshield. All right, so that part is done. So I'm gonna throw this glass that goes here, throw that glass back in. Then I need to clean off the bed and get in here and clean this up, and then put this very back glass back in. And I'm gonna put the 2 window glasses back in right here. I'm gonna put these 2 back in, and then I'm gonna order a new windshield because the old one was messed up. I'm gonna order a new windshield, throw the new windshield back in it, throw the dash in it. So I need somebody to either, in the fall, y'all, redo the seats and the door panels. And I gotta order carpet for this car. But seats and door panels, man, y'all tag somebody, leave somebody for me, man. I'm in Georgia. I'm in like middle Georgia, Warner Robins, Macon area. Knowing about it, man, tag them below, and I'm gonna have to hit somebody up, man. All right, y'all. Nothing to explain. I'm just gonna get to work, man. Like I said, this is a painless wiring harness. Painless products. And I'm just going by this schematic, man. So if you buy it, nothing to explain, man. I'm just gonna get to work, and y'all just gonna see me working. That's gonna be it, and then we're gonna talk about what I got done. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, man, so unfortunately, man, the backside, the bulbs are pretty much all blowed, so I don't even have a way to test them. So unfortunately, man, that's gonna have to end this one, man. I'm finna go to Amazon and order some bulbs, order some plugs. And when I come back in, man, I'm gonna just complete this off of camera and get the fuel pump and all this wired up. And when I check back in, that's gonna be here. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I may record a little bit of it. I may record getting the car started and moving it over, but all of the wiring stuff, man, I'm not gonna record any more of that, man, because I know it's probably a little bit on the boring side. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Anyway, man, PullsTv gone.